Good morning, my dear students. Once again, lines and angles. Some more problems. Okay. Now, in the given data, OR and OT, OR and OT are the bisectors of angle POS and angle SO2 respectively. Okay, that's a given data. OR and OT are the bisectors of angle POS and angle POS respectively. Bisectors means divided into two equal parts. Find angle ROT. Find angle ROT. Are you ready? Look at here. Let angle POS, this one, equal to X. And angle POS plus angle 2OS is 180. These two angles are supplementary. They are linear pairs. So, angle QoS is 180 minus X. Are you ready? If this angle is X, automatically this angle is 180 minus X. They are linear pair. Clear? And angle ROS is, that's bisector. X divided by 2. Angle ROS is X divided by 2. That's the meaning of bisector. And POS or SOT is, the angle is 180 minus X. So 180 minus X divided by 2. That's given. They are linear pair. Automatically this is X by 2 and this is 180 minus X by 2. It's clear the steps. Next, this is linear pair. They are linear pair. That's the reason. And angle ROT, that's the question. Angle ROT is angle ROS plus SOT. ROS plus SOT. That is ROS is X by 2. SOT is 180 minus X by 2. Is it clear? And added by 2 is the common denominator. So added my X minus X cancel. 180 divided by 2. 180 divided by 2 equal to 9. So ROT equal to 90. Is it clear? I am waiting for it. Once again, you watch the video carefully and analyze the question and take the steps. Are you ready? Next, write a heading: parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines and transversal. Transversal means cutting them. These are parallel lines. L and M are parallel lines. P is a transversal. And here you mark the angles 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Better you draw the figure. I'm waiting. First data. You studied vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Can you analyze the vertically opposite angles in this figure? Are you ready to write the vertically opposite angles? Better you write this also, then vertically opposite. Remember these two, that is angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Look at here, angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. 5 and 7, you see that? Angle 5 is equal to angle 7 and here angle 6 equal to angle 8. You write the pairs also. There are 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles in the picture. These two lines are parallel and P is cutting the line. This is the transversal. Transversal means intersecting lines. So there are 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles and they are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Is it clear? Second data. Look at here. Seconds. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. They are also equal. You already studied corresponding angles. Angles in the same position. If two parallel lines intersect by a line, that's a transversal, then the pairs of corresponding lines are equal. Now one of the pair is 1 and 5. They are on the same position. See that? 1 and 5. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Similarly, 4 and 8. 2 and 6. You see the position. 3 and 7. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Better you write this. Corresponding angles are equal. If two parallel lines intersect by a transversal, then the pair of corresponding angles formed are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. You analyze the position, then you write it. So number 2 is over. Then number 3. Are you ready? Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Look at here. Alternate interior angles. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, cuts by a transversal, then the pair of alternate interior angles are equal. You remember alternate interior angles? 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Look at here. 3 and 5. Here, it's a form of a set. 3 and 5. Similarly, you see that. Another one, like this. These two angles are also a set. There is 4 and 6 also are there. You see the shape of that alternate interior angles? Alternate 3 and 5, 4 and 6. You write it angle 3 equal to angle 5 and angle 4 equal to angle 6. So, alternate interior angles are equal. Then, co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. They are not equal, but they are supplementary. Co-interior means angles on the same side of parallels. Angles on the same side of parallels. Look at here. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are like this. They are on the same side of parallel. They are supplementary. Supplementary means added to get 180. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, these two also. Angle 3 plus angle 6, that's also equal to 180. 4 and 5 are angles on the same side, otherwise co-interior angle. Co-interior angles are supplementary means 180. 3 and 6 are also supplementary. Is it clear? Is it clear? I'm waiting for you. And alternate exterior angle. You got the position very clearly. Come on, you write it. Alternate exterior. Interior is 4 and 6. Exterior is 2 and 8. Exterior position outside 2 and 8. Angle 2 equal to angle 8 and 1 and 7 also. They are exterior 2 and 8, 1 and 7. If two parallel lines intersect by a transversal, then the pair of alternate exterior angles are equal. That's the statement. Is it all? Is it clear? Once again, look at here. Now, in the picture, L parallel to M, there is a transversal P also. Given it is 70 degree here. You studied that this is linear pair, so it is 180 minus 70, 110. If this is 70, automatically vertically opposed angles are equal. And here also vertically opposed are equal. And if this angle is 70, this is also 70. Remember corresponding angles? If this is 110 or this is 100, here also 110. Clear? Corresponding angles. Here also vertically opposite, here also vertically opposite. So if one of the angle is given, you get the other 7 angles also. Is it clear? Are you ready? Now, look at it. Let the angles are named or measured as A, B, C, D and E, F, G. The alternates or vertically opposite are A and C, B and D, E and G, F and H. Alternate angles, alternate interior C and D, D and F. Alternate exterior B and H, A and G. Is the corresponding A and E, B and F, C and G, A and H. Is ready. So you draw the picture and write the pair of vertically. Okay, this picture, okay. Draw the picture and write the pairs of vertically opposite alternate interior, alternate exterior, okay, alternate exterior and co-interior angles also. That is D plus E equal to 180, C plus F is equal to 180. Are you ready? And I will give you the home assignments later. Okay, all this.